Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To my loyal viewers and subscribers, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Jamaica Young Police channel does not tell lies, as it is not in our DNA. Whatever you hear over here is the truth and nothing but the truth. A people without the knowledge of their past history, origin and culture is like a tree without roots. If you have no confidence in yourself, you are twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence, you have won even before you started. Before we begin today's video, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel want our audience and detractors to know that anything that we have said here that is incorrect, you can reach out to us at 954-556-0275 and we'll correct the same. To us, the first and foremost thing about us on this channel is our character, credibility and reputation. We have never slandered or defamed anyone's name on this platform. Whatever you are hearing is the truth. If the truth shall kill those who hate the truth, let it kill them. Remember that we said before, those who do not know the truth are fools, and those who knew the truth and call it a lie is a depraved and criminal mind person. Yes, at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we want you, our loyal viewers and subscribers, to know that criminals are people with paranoid psychosis who often think that the government is persecuting them and that the police are trying to kill them, and some of them frame them when they are the ones who are killing others and committing crimes and believe that their lives are more important than their victims. So we have seen these movements going on via social media platform where people echoing for the release of Vybz Kartel. Yes, the royal boss, or according to Sir P, the royal Sprat. But we want you to know that we at the Jamaica Young Police channel know that Vybz Kartel is not coming out anytime soon. And the reason why it's not coming out soon, I want you to listen to this. This is Vybz Kartel words against Vybz Kartel. And what most people do not understand, that criminals do not know that we're living in the era of technology, where technology rules. So whatever a man says behind closed doors, it is not just between himself and what he has said to others. Because, the phone that you're using is a two-way radio. So if the government is watching you, they can wiretap your thing and get the necessary evidence that they want to put you away. So I want you to listen to Master Vybz Kartel. Yes, you watch, you listen, and you decide for yourself.
Alright, Dan, I'm done tell you all the things that I already, from them time there, I said, I deal with, because I reason about this one day, I'm done tell you a thing, is from the thing them get missing up, but I hesitate not even for a second or a minute, You see, I give them 8 o'clock, anytime after 8 and your thing not come in, it doesn't bother say nothing else or getting blood. It just dash with a man there, because some joke blood clotting some man depending on. Big joke thing, You see, I deal with, dash with a man, dash with a man blood.
They don't know it's a blood clot lizard and we. I will call my phone today and tell me, say, them can't find the 2 blood clot new shoes them when me give them dog. So them lock them in our house. Side of all feet where I build up dog in a blood clot house, I lock 2 shoes and can't find my bum buckler shoes, Virgin. And I come tell me, fuck your maze dog. I just tell them, say, make sure I get my shoes by 8 o'clock in a bad man. In the car. I hear you get I think I tell my dog say what do you me I hear reason about the said fucking thing. But as I tell you the man where them give the blood clot shoes like dog. If 8 o'clock come and I get my shoes are the same fucking thing dog. So if them want them friends to live, them better get my blood clot shoes. More time I love follow up certain science thing in the dog. When you say a girl tell me say she call a woman, and the woman can tell her instantly say, the boy will go country where they are move the shoes move the shoes them for sell them, you know, dog. And most of me I made back and I say where the area when I go country is a portion of man. Is a portion of man forward, you know, dog. So me even know which man bedging. And me I tell the dog, yo, the batty boy them I tell me say they can't find two of my shoes, in the dog. I kill one of them, you know, I give them till 8 o'clock to get one bomb buckler shoes. As a dead blood clot, man. That, you know.
My Dan, hear me I say. You know more ask you for the program with Siva. Because here them things they're not supposed to be on a Siva government, you know. Siva supposed to keep check on them things there at all times and make sure say them in him eyesight, you know. You understand what I deal? And before me I left, you know, I don't even like or return and move because some man up there so when me see blood, I know some of them, you know. So me I deal with them come like say anybody new dog, them just bring in, them not busy, them don't even check on some man to find out them background and nothing. You see me I deal with? I want to me I tell you, my Dan, them do it already, you know. They make them get no more chance to do that again, you know. They tell you straight, you know. I bust anytime after 8 and a man again a good talk on it, Dan. Bust off a man head and here we go do. You got bust off a man head, they live down there, and one of the strange man down there. 2 man head you got bust off one time. You can't afford for so much things I get missed up, Dan. A joke thing.
Dog, my first man my page, you know, because me ask him say, oh, Virgin, you know, you have blood clot around our place. And you don't even know nothing about dog. The man tell me say I put them here, you know. And bandit tell me say thing them miss from Saturday morning, you know, bad man. It's a little bird call me and tell me I'm a page lizard them and them tell me say I eat them a go about, you know. Me I say dog, I better find man thing for us, you know, dog. Cause me even yo, you know say one of the hombre them or them get the thing for lock. Me even know that the youth there no problem. Come like yesterday man come live boy, you know. Me even know blood clot him, you know. So make sure tell the man them say, I want my blood clot shoes by 8 o'clock. And I go fuck up to one them dog. Come ready, you know, say, come here, get a profit, dog. Cause you say something to me, say. You know, like up there, so because every little man just run in and them just accept them and them. They don't know some of the meds, dog, where you say, and one mind say, find out where the third man come from. What them sell at the shoes, because me don't know him, and me know the youth to grow about it. You know, so me run the file problem child. The man them tell me say the hombre not even live there for 1 year, dog. And guess where them say the hombre come from? Walter, me no hombre. Walter, me no dog. That's me have to call this and we and list them up and say, pussy hole and see a town craft the man use pano. Guy man left from bad place and come over here to come see so now some little giggy laughy batty boy. And take the shoes can go give him friend them a town and come back come see them go do and go on like him don't know the shoes missing up. And me tell them to tell the boy they said me not get back my shoes him and him blood clot mama go dead in a bad man. Come on.
Remember you tell me what they so you make all of the shoes them stay around a Black 5. Yeah, man, I destined them to stay, man. No more shoes in a rat town. Everything stay upon your side. You see what I deal with? No more shoes a rat town. A blood clot up there so them to stay free and dead. Nothing for them.
No, if you say nothing bad, man, I done a free that already. But that's why them go back from my shoes. That's me can send them down from the Gaza, dog. So them mothers, them want, them gonna make some one pop and make a year so them have one pop up, them will kill 2 of them.
No, you see, no. And now, you see where the real thing there. You see me, I say, that's a matter of time, you know. You see everybody show up them blood clot colors. Because the thing did spread, and it'll take it time, draw right back. You know, the little square where they did before. You see what I deal with. So everybody show up them colors now, so you know what time it is. You see what I deal with, my boss.
Man, a real fucking thing you thought, dog. I'm not even that preach, so. And I said, really, I work back for you, because everything must go right back down from the Gaza, dog. Big woman thing, dog, them for go bridging.
Right, and it better fade away there, because less people you have to deal with, the more you know how your things stay, you know, but it's when it's wider way up there, so, because some boy you do something and I come around and you don't even know, you know, come skin off them teeth, you know. So you say the less people you have to deal with, better blood. You have everything in your palm of your hand where you can know. Anything jump off, you know where for pray and where for look. But when it's too far up in any place, so them boys are too mix up there, so dog.
I think mankind should have never even reach as far as third world neither. Because from day one, me and them pussy there, dog. I just too shotty that far around me, And shotty bring ratty, dog. And I see him end up become to a big informer, dog. So it really reach this from day one, dog.
My Dan, don't let them get too comfortable neither, I sit down over this and feel like so them get a phone call from you and you tell them that, them for a program that can reach him back in the night or a morning. At for the back on the end, so a man forget to wet up, not forget too comfortable because them going like them one style blood clot man thing. So I tell them that them thing I see them are coming over, I could have tell you from a long time, but one more time I try to link you, so man I go and them want to shut up man out of the thing, Because the man I sit down from a block and observe how they move, how them friendly with newcomers, you see me I deal with. So I don't know, sit down thing, them not forget comfortable, them just have to keep moving and keep them eye open at all time. I don't know where the blood clot will reach them.
A real talk, you're talking a problem. Me a page back my dog and make him page him because him a govern the program in a dog. So me a call him right now and make him know what I go on, hombre.
Why don't them boy enough to sleep all in them beds 9 hours a night and them supposed to pray a bag of thing them for up. Not sleep for no man until the thing them forward, madam.
Real thing, bad man. I'm a real bomb bucker thing, dog. Big woman thing. Yeah, I hear about it, man.
My dad, what the program? No, you're friend from yesterday, so my day I pray and I wonder what I go on. I know what I go on, my dad. Bless it.
Same thing as the rest of man. The boy, him take the thing them, dog, but the boy mama up the dog. Dash me, I make the man them dash away, hombre.
My dad. Third world. No, them dash away down our side. If I know out the road or third world, no, we don't on our side. You hear that?
Hombre, in a Chevy yard, Chevy yard, the pussy whole girl live,
Yeah, mama, just call long there a while ago, pepper, so them go about them and them not see the man them. Come like the man them take for themselves. And watch this now, at the right, rascal place. I say, oh, that's how when it happen. And the boy danger have to give account for that. Put him back in the spot. So, man, David. Yeah, man.
They are wait for the priest them to link me back and make me know what them I do. Because them not saying about the thing come here, because them I get fucking at that. Do it, man. A mother ass thing, man.
So well, lizard and weed them, them cut. Because I said a man go look for them yesterday and no man, I said them not see them, the man I say come like and cut them cut,
Yeah, but problem, Charlie, if them cut, where them are cut go? That's a the rascal question, hombre. Them man, them can't cut gun over dog, you're mad. Where they even cut chance, come off, I'll buy it back.
You see the whole of them, where they run silver, them know what blood clot go on, You see me? Because guess what? If the man not see we and the man not see lizard and the boy, them still a call back in the scheme and a link with whosoever and who a give them information and walk on and who them see a walk past in a rat town because so them things going, you see me I deal with. So the whole of them up at that blood clot know what go on. Them take man for force. Same as though you say it's still no man. I saw your thing setting, I saw it setting if I see a response to it, Right now you shouldn't have kill of yourself, I see if you go about them, because see them youth, I see youth them, you see me? I see if you make some phone call and I make them know, say, yo, watch this. Ray, you see me, sir? You shouldn't have kill of yourself, and then. And that me I tell you, because most time I wonder, oh, you're just so far out, so man, they over just don't care, but monitor the thing like how to monitor.
No, but I see him, so I really did it. I feel laugh, dog. Because like your mind read a virgin. Because I don't kill out myself, dog. I just call Sean up to this man and tell them, say, hombre, what about me things them? And make me get my money to buy back me thing them. And only do what I do with whoever. I just want to get back my thing and you respond to it. So I make sure I tell him that this morning.
AJ, somebody just a year a while ago said badness and danger must kick off on the line this morning. And it seems like it come like bad danger, bad at the man them. The man them come like them afraid of danger, dog.
Yeah, govern things, man. You don't have to say nothing, man. Just listen.
You use a blood class,
got a problem, child. Me there I put on a tattoo star. How are you just see tattoo? Yeah, a bride of Chucky, man. Oh.
Yeah, it's a lizard. And the new boy, my name Browns, two of them here to get dashed away, you see me? Be a man call me and ask me if me here, you know. You see me? And a nigga from Night Town just called me a while ago and say, two man get dashed away for the ends. So me I said to him, say, me I behave like me don't know who him attack, you see me?
Yo, tell me exactly where you're here, bad man. Come on over, go on.
So you know, you use a blood clot, you know.
So who them said dash them where?
Linky, give me a link this morning. So me I say me some dope and me and him there reason. Out of the blues me just hear the man and say, yo, dash a lizard in me I say blood clot. But me I say them say lizard get dash and me not hear from you. So me I wonder what go on, so I suck up now me start link back a yard.
So me just who will tell you? Who are the first one to tell you? And where him hear it from? Just a while ago that.
Well, I can tell you this, and based on one and two little things. As a detective, I can tell you this, based on the information, all the records that I have listened to regarding Vybz Kartel case. That's transcript of his trial. Vybz Kartel is cooked. Yes, he's cooked. Vybz Kartel ain't coming out of prison for any time soon. Parole maybe when after he did his 30 years. And the reason for him not going to win the appeal is because of all these incriminating evidence that is right here on this recording. And there's others. You have to understand, whenever the government wants you, and they know that you're a problem or you're a crime producer, they just set the trap for you, you just walk right into it. And that is what Vybz Kartel did. Problem child, the same thing. You cannot beat the system. You have to just work with it. And Vybz Kartel was behaving like he's bigger than the system, and you can't do that. So all of you people who live in Waterford and think that Vybz Kartel is coming out, he's not coming out anytime soon. By the time Vybz Kartel comes out of prison, most of you will be whole people. You understand? So keep your hopes down. Don't keep it up, because if you have it up, you're going to be heartbroken and you're going to have hypertension, because Vybz Kartel not coming out. This is what sealed the deal for him. Man boasting how he dash away people and you're a problem child. Yes, seasoned criminal that, telling Vybz Kartel, he's the one that egged Vybz Kartel to kill both men. And that's it, when you commit the crime, you must willing to do the time. And, that's the life of being a criminal. Vybz Kartel could have, if you look at all the artists, from that era, from Bounty Killer, you notice Bounty Killer is the only one whose name you have never heard involved with anybody involved in any killing. Because he's smart. He's from the ghetto. He doesn't want to, get himself immersed in that kind of lifestyle. He talk tough and he can defend himself, but that's how it is. Most important thing is just to be a law-abiding citizen. Vybz Kartel, you dig the hole, so you have to just sleep in it. There's no way for you to come out until when you finish your 35 years. And it's the same thing that Vybz Kartel did to Lizard is the same thing that Popcorn, because Popcorn, they know the tactics that Vybz Kartel used to cremate Lizard, and it's the same thing that Noel Maitland used and cremate his girlfriend too. If this is the first time to the channel, consider subscribing. Like the video, yes, like the video so that it can reach others. Share the video too, and comment below. Yeah, thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. The Jamaica Young Police channel out.